going to be covering 3 areas that are going to save you money with your driving lessons. So, talk about saving money on your driving lessons. If you're new to driving and you're thinking, right, I'm going to be starting lessons soon. I know I can't have lessons because there's a lockdown happening at the moment, but when they release that lockdown, there's an opportunity possibly for money savings for new drivers. So when you come to start your lessons, look around, look for the offers, because there might be a few instructors out there who've got spare hours and they're putting some special offers on to attract new people because they want to fill their diary up. So don't be afraid to look round and ask the instructor, choose an instructor that you're happy with, ask them what, the questions that you want to ask them, and don't be afraid to ask them at the same time, is there any special offers on to try and save some money? Because if you can save yourself some money, it's money in your pocket, isn't it? So an example would be they might do a £20 or £30 discount on 10 hours for all I know. And if you can save that money, it's like an hour's lesson straight away you saved. Or it might be they do a starter. They do a starter for new drivers in the first 2 or 3 hours where you can get a discount. So look around, save yourself some money. So that's the first thing I would say that you want to do. Now, another one would be when you finish your driving lesson and you get back home, don't just think, right, that's it for another week. Sit yourself down, make some notes. Write down the bits that you were really happy with, so that you can refer back to them, and the bits that you were a little bit, I'm not very good at that, I need to improve on that one there. So bits for improvement, and I'll give you an example. Just say you were practicing towards the end of your driving lesson, you were practicing reverse bay parking. So make a note of it, what your instructor said to you. Oh, well, it was all right for your first time, but we need to be a bit slower at speed. We need to do a bit more observations. So that's just an example of what they might be saying to you. So what you can do is make the notes of that so that you don't forget about it. Because it's easy to put these things down and forget about the lesson for the next week. What I would do is sit yourself down once you've written all these bits down and do a bit of research. Go on YouTube and research bay parking maneuver or reverse bay parking maneuver. Happens all the time. So research it and just say to yourself, right, okay, then I want to watch this video now and just study what they're doing, because once you're not in the car, it's a bit like being in the back of a car. Once you're in the back of the car, you can actually you can relax, have a drink, and just watch the video and just pick up on what the instructor's saying, what the student's doing, or if it's just an instructor on own, what he's saying, what should be doing, and learn from it. Or if it's roundabouts that you struggle with, look at the videos on roundabouts, or go on these Facebook forums that are dedicated to learner drivers and just do a bit of research on the question. Put a question out there on the forum, say, can anyone tell me how I can improve this, or what's causing this? Because it could be your first lesson, it could be you could be drifting and you're not used to steering. So that's quite a common fault in the first few lessons. So don't be afraid to make some notes, do some research, because that'll definitely save some money. So like when you get in the car on your next lesson and you sat down with your instructor and they're saying, right, what should we do for today's lesson? And they're doing a recap from your last lesson, setting your goals. So one of your goals will be, I want to do that bay parking. I want to practice that after 10 minutes or so. Great idea. So your instructor's happy with you, you're happy because you're getting on with stuff that you want to improve on. So it's a win-win. So that's just a couple of areas that you can save yourself some money on. Now, another one would be your physically, you will be, just say your driving lesson is at 9:30 in the morning. Then don't be up till 2 or 3 the night before or 12 o'clock and get up 10 minutes before your lesson, because all what's going to happen is you're going to be half asleep. And for the first 20 minutes of your lesson, you're going to drive quite below par. And you'll be disappointed with the mistakes. You'll be stalling, you'll be forgetting things, all silly things like that. So you just got to say to yourself, I need to think about the lesson the next day. So if it's in the morning or the afternoon, it doesn't matter. I need to get a good night's sleep, and I need to eat before my lesson, so it gives me energy. I need to drink, things like that, so I'm ready for that lesson. I can maintain a good level of concentration for that hour or for that hour and a half or 2 hours. So there are 3 areas then that will help you to save money with your driving lessons. If you like the video, by the way, click on like, feel free to share it, and watch out for my next video next week.